Large part machining hasn't always been associated with multitasking. Well, Correa here are having a fantastic time as of late, and I genuinely don't believe that machines like this have ever been so flexible. Javier, congratulations on such a successful year, but tell me, what is it that you're doing, say, differently, or what is it that you're doing to listen to the marketplace?
Well, we have been developing recently new machines, new configurations, which are helping us to improve our presence in very strategic segments and markets nowadays.
And what are those markets that you're talking about?
Well, mainly aerospace, defense, machine tool makers. So any large part that in which you need a lot of flexibility and automation is where we are good at.
They do actually have a machine on the stand, and we're going to see it in just a few moments, but this model kind of symbolizes what you're offering to the marketplace, doesn't it? Because you've just said the word, it's flexible, and there's so many options that you offer. So can you just explain to me what's happening here?
Yeah, so this is an existing machine that it's working already. So basically this is a gantry machine, so able to machine massive parts, as you can see. But at the same time, we incorporated a second working area, which is effectively a turning area.
Ah, okay, so you can turn and mill, and you've got this, so you can pendulum, and then you can load a pallet whilst you're working on components.
Yeah, absolutely. And as you can imagine, in large parts, the load and unload time is huge.
Yeah,
because it takes a lot of time.
Of course.
And in plus, we can even remove the panel and use the whole machine surface to machine a massive part.
And you've got this extra axis, haven't you? Is this a W axis? So you've got a larger working envelope as well?
Absolutely. So we have two vertical axes, the Z axis, which is the run movement, and then we have the crossbeam movement as a W axis, increasing the vertical capacity to machine really, really tall parts.
I want to go see a machine now. So in terms of Correa, what is the size range of machines that you offer?
Well, I mean, the smallest parts we start considering within our product range would be a component of 1.5 meter by 1.5 minimum, and the largest is almost infinite, because we can make 20, 30, 40 meters x-axis movement, plus, for example, 10 meters between the columns, plus 6-7 meters as a vertical capacity.
I can't even fathom that in my mind. Like that's oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. So this is the Norma range, is this correct? And it's Norma MG. What does that mean?
Well, MG in Spanish means rotary table integrated into the x-axis.
Okay.
So, and this can be a milling rotary table or a turning rotary table. In plus, this is one of our best-seller machines families, because the configurations are, you know, so we have such a huge possibilities, like pallet changes systems, automation, turning, milling, multitasking, different heads. So and also, if you see, the capability in this machine is huge. We can turn components up to 3 meters diameter.
Wow.
So even
but
in this,
that's not a large table either for that. But yet you're able to
turn and to rotate 3 meters diameter parts. So in a reasonable small size, we can manufacture large parts.
Okay, so what's kind of like your lasting message from yourselves at Correa? What do you want to tell the marketplace?
Well, we want to tell them that in these growing sectors, we are working hard to develop and to improve our solutions to try to reach our customers in a better way. And
how are you doing that? How are you reaching your customers in a better way?
Well, for example, now we are making a huge investments to increase our assembly capability, and also increase the level of automation of our own parts. So we increase the level of quality of the machines, the level of reliability, which is something, is a must for our customers. Reliability, flexibility, and
and automation
and
as
automation
well.
as well.
It's the future, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you, Javier.
Thank you.
Thank you.